Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today I'm going to share with you how to decorate a very coquette cookie for Valentine's. But first, if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. To make this cookie, first I am going to start by cutting a heart-shaped cookie. Remember that you can always use different cookie cutters to make different cookies. Now I am going to turn this heart upside down and make some cuts. I'm going to bake this cookie, and then I am going to decorate this coquette underwear cookie for Valentine's. And I am going to use the wet on wet technique to decorate this cookie. Please click the link above to learn more about this technique. And also in the description of this video I will leave you the link. I love to use this technique because you can always come up with so many different designs. Like this big heart. You can also make tiny dots. Or add big red dots to make some hearts. Now I am ready to add the last touches to this cookie. And here is a very coquette cookie for Valentine's. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.